Today we are going to learn mediastinum. Mediastinum is what? It is the middle space in between the two lungs, enclosed within the pleural sac. Here you can see these are the two lungs, and within in the thoracic cavity the middle space is occupied by the heart with his family, whole family member. So mediastinum is definition what I have said earlier. It is the middle space in between the two lungs, enclosed within the pleural sac, the middle space. The division is superior and inferior, and its boundary anteriorly it is bounded by sternum, that is the manubrium sterni, body of the sternum, and the Xiphisternum. Posteriorly all the thoracic T1 to T12 thoracic vertebra. By the side it is mediastinal pleura. The lung enclosed within the pleura is wearing a cloth, lung is wearing a cloth that is known as pleura, and towards the side of the mediastinum this pleura is named as mediastinal pleura. So laterally it is bounded by both sides mediastinal pleura. Superiorly this is thoracic inlet, and inferiorly there is thoracic outlet formed by the diaphragm, and here is the thoracic inlet, and the division is by a horizontal line running from the sternal angle, that is the junction of the manubrium sterni and the body of the sternum, and going posteriorly up to the lower border of the T4 vertebra, above which is the superior mediastinum and below there is inferior mediastinum. It can be compared with a two-story building. Here you can see this is two-story building. The below this is inferior mediastinum, and superiorly this is superior mediastinum, and the division is via the transverse line from anterior to posterior. It is from the sternal angle to the lower border of T4. Inferior mediastinum, in which old grandpa, the whole mediastinum there is a family of grandpa, that is the heart. In the grandpa with his two sons in ground floor, they are residing in the inferior mediastinum. Here you can see this. The ground floor is occupied by the grandpa, that is the heart, with his two sons, and the grandchildren they are shifted to the first floor. Okay. So the heart and its immediate branch comes under the inferior mediastinum, and the branch of that immediate branch they are shifted to superior mediastinum. So heart with its immediate branch below in inferior mediastinum, and grandchildren in top floor, that is the branches of immediate branch, resides in the superior mediastinum. Now every house has at least these members, that one husband, one wife, and the children, and one lock. These are the essential items. Husband, it is compared to the artery which brings oxygenated blood, same as the husband which brings money in the home. Wife, it is compared with a vein which carry away the oxygenated blood, same as the wife has spent money. The children, nerve of home, peacefully in front and vagabond behind. I will decode this later on. Okay. And one lock gives protection, same as the lymph node. These are the essential items in each compartment. Okay. Now additional member or item, what can it be? It is drainage tube. Here you can see in this picture, this is the drainage tube. It is compared to the thoracic duct. CCTV for the protection, and same as the thymus gland. One guard, and it is comparable with the muscle. Operation theatre. We all know today, nowadays, this is the corona period, so operation theatre should be there in the home. So operation theatre, it is O for oesophagus and theatre is for trachea. These are the additional but essential items are these. Now come to superior mediastinum. Its boundary, anteriorly body of sternum, manubrium sterni, posteriorly upper 4 thoracic vertebra, superiorly thoracic inlet, inferiorly an imaginary line traversing from the angle of Lewis or sternal angle and posteriorly up to the lower border of T4 vertebra. And by the side there is mediastinal pleura. Now coming to content, as I have said earlier, one husband, one wife and the children's. And husband is comparable to artery, wife is vein, children's are nerve of home, and lock is lymph node. So just decode. In the superior mediastinum, we are talking about the superior mediastinum. That is the home of the grandchildren. You can see his husband always indulging in WhatsApp and Facebook, and wife always doubt on him. So if you want a peaceful life, so don't doubt. अब शक नहीं करना है, अब शक. So A for arch of aorta. We all know here. First there is ascending aorta, then it becomes arch of aorta. So it is not immediate. It comes after ascending. So it is arch of aorta. B for brachiocephalic trunk. We all know arch of aorta. Here this is the brachiocephalic trunk, and this is left common carotid and left subclavian, where my cursor is going. Okay. So AB SC. अब शक नहीं करना है. That is arch of aorta, brachiocephalic trunk, subclavian artery and common carotid artery. About vein, the home of grandchildren, wife always used to say something very chirpy. Here you can see blah blah blah. So if you want a peaceful life, just shut your mouth. बस चुप रहना है, बस. So B triple S. B for brachiocephalic vein. Here you can see this is superior vena cava. This is, and it then divide into the right brachiocephalic and the left brachiocephalic, formed by the union of right and left brachiocephalic, superior vena cava. So brachiocephalic vein, right and left. As for subclavian vein, as for superior intercostal vein, in the left side only, and superior vena cava, the upper half. This is lower half and this is upper half. So these are comes under the heading of vein. These veins are the content of superior mediastinum. Now we are discussing about the nerve. What I have said earlier, the children who are peaceful in front but vagabond behind. So peaceful in front. So anterior to the lung root, there is phrenic nerve. P for peaceful, P for phrenic nerve, anterior to lung root. And posteriorly, that is the posterior to lung root, vagabond. From that word, this name vagus word is derived. So vagus nerve, posteriorly there is vagus nerve. And one child is always quarreling, so लड़ रहा है, LR लड़ रहा है एक बच्चा. So left recurrent laryngeal nerve. Another one is left recurrent laryngeal nerve. And now come to lock, which gives immunity comparable to lymph node. And very big lock. They used to keep very big lock on the door, that is Parvat size ka, Parvat, PBT, paratracheal, bronchomediastinal and tracheobronchial lymph node. Okay. And what are the additional items? One guard named Sushil. Guard name is Sushil. They are guarding the superior mediastinum, the top floor. The grandchildren, they are very rich and they are keeping a guard. So Sushil, as for sternohyoid, sternothyroid and longus coli, SSL, Sushil. One CCTV, which is comparable to thymus. In today's life, without CCTV, it is just can't imagine. So thymus, T for CCTV. If you leave CC, then it's left TV. So T for thymus and T for TV, CCTV. And again for immunity, drainage tube, duct, thoracic duct, tube for drainage. And one OT is also there. They are very advanced, the grandchildren. So esophagus and trachea. Now come to inferior mediastinum. Inferior, again divided into anterior, middle and the posterior. And now we are discussing about the anterior mediastinum. Here you can see in this picture, this is the double-story building and we have discussed this top floor residence. Okay, and now we are discussing this, the ground floor inhabitants. This in dark blue color, this is anterior mediastinum. In this pink color, this is the middle mediastinum. And posteriorly in this blue, you can say this is light blue and this is dark blue. So this is, or you can say purple. This purple in the posteriorly, this is posterior mediastinum. These mediastinum are divided like these. The inferior mediastinum into anterior, middle and the posterior. And we are discussing about the anterior, which is bounded anteriorly by the body of the sternum and the Giffey-sternum. Posteriorly, this is heart enclosed within a spillover, that is the pericardium. So anteriorly, the inner surface of the, or you can say the posterior aspect of the body of a sternum and Giffey-sternum. Posteriorly there is pericardium. Superiorly, the imaginary line traversing from angle of Lewis to the T4 vertebra, and inferiorly diaphragm, and both sides mediastinal pleura. It just look like campus. No one is residing here like husband, wife, children. It is just like a campus in front, a house. So what are the inhabitants of that campus? It is ligament. Ligament is comparable to lathi, L for lathi, L for ligament. The Dadaji, that is grandpa, heart, don't rely on lock. He used to keep this, you can see in the picture, this is lathi, stick. And it is comparable to ligament, sternopericardial ligament. So here is the upper, here it is written upper and the lower sternopericardial ligament. And we have read that CCTV is in the superior mediastinum, but here you can see this is the thymus gland. But lower part is also comes into the anterior mediastinum, the lower part of CCTV. The grandchildren they are very responsible. They always take care of their parents. So some part of CCTV is inside, is below this imaginary plane, so that they can take care of their family, what is going on. So lower part of the CCTV, that is comparatively to lower part of the thymus gland. And one lock is there, obviously. This is campus, so we have to keep, but not that specified. One small lock, okay, and one key. Key is comparable to mediastinal branch of internal thoracic artery. Here, internal thoracic artery is running, okay. Vitamin CD, what are the branches of subclavian? It is vitamin CD, and the second one is the internal thoracic artery, and they are giving out the mediastinal branch. So the internal thoracic artery is coming like this, just like my cursor, and mediastinal branches are coming out like this, where my cursor is. So it just look like key. So these are the contents of anterior mediastinum. Now coming to middle mediastinum, where the grandpa, that is heart, resides with his very favorite son. Okay. So what are the boundary? Comes to the boundary. Anteriorly there is anterior mediastinum. Posteriorly there is posterior mediastinum. Superiorly the imaginary plane crossing the angle of Lewis up to the T4 vertebra. Inferiorly diaphragm, both side mediastinal pleura. These are the boundary of middle mediastinum, where the old grandpa with his favorite son and his family. First inhabitant of middle mediastinum, that is grandpa, within pullover. He always used to wear pullover, that is pericardium. And what are the arteries? That is the favorite son, pulmonary artery, and these are the immediate branch. Pulmonary artery, ascending aorta, pulmonary trunk, they are just coming out from the heart. So they are immediate branch. You can say the very honest pa or pita. So pa is for pulmonary artery, P for pulmonary artery, A for ascending aorta, and pita, that is pulmonary trunk, and they are the immediate branch. And vein, they are very honest, that's why known as pa and pita, that's why he is favorite son. And vein, that is the wife, always indulge in puja and satsang, very honest wife, puja and satsang. So pulmonary vein, jad, azygous vein, and satsang is superior vena cava lower half. Here you can see this is the superior vena cava lower half, where my cursor is going, okay. And also there is azygous vein and pulmonary vein. They comes under the content of middle mediastinum under the heading of vein. Now nerve. As these parents are very honest, very reliable children they are, so nerve is also peaceful. So phrenic nerve, and one children is Deputy Commissioner of Police. They are very intelligent. So deep cardiac plexus, Deputy Commissioner of Police, and one peaceful children, that is phrenic nerve. And about the lock, they are tiny, because grandpa is living here. In need not to keep Parvat size lymph node. So one tiny lymph node is there, that is tracheobronchial lymph node. Additional item in the middle mediastinum, Dadaji ka hookah. Hookah is windpipe. So trachea with bronchi is the additional item, other than this artery, vein, nerve, lymph node. Now come to posterior mediastinum. This one is posterior mediastinum. Boundary, anteriorly there is heart with the pericardium. posteriorly lower thoracic vertebra from T5 to T12, superiorly imaginary plane, and inferiorly diaphragm, both side mediastinal pleura. And what are the inhabitants? One of the son of Dadaji, that is grandpa, heart, is Dr. Beta. डॉक्टर बेटा है, वो पीछे रहता है. Here you can see this picture. I've told that the immediate branch is the inhabitant of this ground floor. तो सुबह का भूला अगर शाम में वापस आ जाए तो उसे भूला नहीं कहते. यही सोच के दादाजी ने उसे पीछे वाली जगह रहने को दे दी डॉक्टर बेटा को. फर्स्ट इट फॉर्म्स असेंडिंग एओर्टा, देन आर्च ऑफ एओर्टा एंड देन डिसेंडिंग एओर्टा. सो डिसेंडिंग थोरैसिक एओर्टा, डीटी, डॉक्टर बेटा पीछे वाले पोस्टीरियर मेडिस्टनम में रहता है. तो दिस इज आर्टरी इज डिसेंडिंग थोरैसिक एओर्टा. वेन हिज वाइफ इज वेरी जुगारू, सभी तरह का जुगार है उसके पास, बहुत जुगारू है. तो जेड फॉर जुगारू एंड एजाइगस वेन, ऑल टाइप ऑफ जाइगस, एजाइगस वेन, हेमी एजाइगस वेन, एसेसरी हेमी एजाइगस वेन, एंड नर्व. एज ही इज द डॉक्टर बेटा, सो वेरी रिच. So his children is vagabond, so vagus nerve. And 3 sisters, as for sister and as for splanchnic nerve, greater, lesser and the least is splanchnic nerve. And about the lock, as he is the doctor beta, how can I keep a simple lock? So prime quality lock, PM, prime, posterior mediastinal lymph node is there. And what are the additional items? Obviously, we all know that the drainage tube lies in the posterior aspect of a house. So, in the posterior mediastinum, the inhabitant is thoracic duct. And as we know that he is the doctor beta, so he will do operation, obviously. So, O for oesophagus. So, additional items will be thoracic duct and oesophagus.